Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the contents of the STEAM take-home bag. If you have one of these bags, it means you recently visited OSF Jump Simulation for an event. I hope your time here was very fun and memorable. We wanted to make sure you had the contents of this take-home bag so you could bring the learning home with you. Inside are 3 things: a packet, a sticker, and a lanyard. All 3 of these items have QR codes, which provide fun ways to interact and learn. The first item is this I Heart STEAM sticker, which would look great on a water bottle or a laptop, whatever you want to stick it on. And if you scan the QR code, it brings up a fun AR video about lab safety.
Hello there. Oh, you don't say? Exaggerated gas safety goggles on.
Inside, there's also a lanyard. If you scan the QR code, it brings up an interactive AR experience which helps visualize the heart, lungs, diaphragm, and bones a part of the skull. Now looking at the packet, there is a lot of interactive activities to complete. The front page has a QR code that brings you to the OSF STEAM Instagram and YouTube pages, so make sure to go give us a follow. Flipping to the second page, we have an interactive AR cylinder. To get started, separate it from the rest of the packet, get a pair of scissors, and cut along the dotted line. After you have separated the top half from the bottom half, fold the smaller top piece into the shape of a cylinder and tape the ends together. Next, scan the QR code and hold your cylinder up to the camera to bring these icons to life and play a short video. Then, if you scan the QR codes on the bottom of the page and you hold your cylinder up to the camera, you can learn more about the skeletal cell muscles, eye anatomy, vertebrae, and heart. Flipping to the next page is the AR cube. Cut along all of the dotted lines, but make sure not to cut the solid lines. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to fold all of the flaps inward so that they're at a 90-degree angle. And then you're going to fold all of the solid lines inward so that there's creases and can be later folded into a cube. After that, you want to find flap number 1, which should be located right here. What you want to do is you want to grab a piece of Scotch tape and tape it to the back side of flap 1. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to grab the panel that has the OSF STEAM logo on it, and you're going to tape the end of flap 1 onto the back side of that panel. And you're going to follow this same basic principle for all of the flaps, adding tape to the back of the flaps, and then taping it to the corresponding panel until you have a cube. For the last panel, you're not going to be able to tape the inside, and so what you're going to do is you're going to apply Scotch tape to the outside of the cube just to bring it all together. Now that you've completed the cube, you can scan the QR code and point your camera at each side to learn more about the body's various systems. The last page in the packet should be the STEAM Fold-A-Zine. First step to assembly is folding the page in half along the dotted blue line. Now take your pair of scissors and cut along the red dotted line. Make sure to only cut the red line, not the blue. After you've made your cut, continue to fold along all of the blue dotted lines in order to make creases. Now that you have all of your proper creases, we can begin to fold it properly so it turns into an interactive booklet. Start by folding it in half along the horizontal crease. Next, you're going to fold the center panels into a diamond shape. After that, you'll see these 2 panels. The one with the QR code will be the front cover, the one with your STEAM journey will be the back cover. And even better, if you turn it inside out and fold it back up, you have a second interactive booklet. And if you scan the QR code and hold it up in front of the camera, it provides more information about the topic. These are all the items included in the STEAM take-home bag. I hope this video helped answer any questions you may have had, but if you have any more, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more STEAM content. Thanks for watching.